Hi, so this is a composite function question where we have to find domain and range of a composite function. We have f of x is equal to square root of x minus 2 and g of x is equal to 1 by x. So at first we are going to find g of f of x, which means we will take f of x here and we substitute in place of x. So we will get 1 by, now f of x is the x for g function here in this composite function. So we will replace the x by square root of x minus 2. So this is the answer for your composite function. Now to figure out domain and range, you know that domain are all the x values which a function can take. So here if you notice in the denominator we have square root of x minus 2. Under no condition x can be less than 2. It should be greater than or equal to 2. Otherwise we'll have a negative number in the square root and which is not defined. What about x equals to 2? Even this cannot be taken because in that case your denominator will become 1 upon 0, which is not defined. So the answer for this will be strict inequality, which is x greater than 2 as the domain. And now the range, when you are finding, range is the y values which this function can take. So if you observe carefully, this y, this side of the function cannot be 0. Otherwise we will have 0 is equal to 1 because 0 gets multiplied with this, which is undefined. So we can say that y is greater than 0. So for this domain we can say that this is the range. X is going to be greater than 2. So if you start plugging in like 3, 4, 5, 6, you're surely getting a positive values. That is why your range will be this. And you can write like this, g of f of x belongs to R such that g of f of x is greater than 0. This is for the range. And for the domain we will have x belongs to R and x is greater than 2. I hope you understood this domain and range question, and stay tuned for the next video.